Welcome to Anandi's kitchen. We'll be making Lauki ka halwa, bottle gourd halwa. Lauki is a very healthy vegetable. This dish is very simple and easy to make. I've taken about 1.5 cups of grated Lauki bottle gourd, 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of ghee, then cardamom powder, sugar, Khowa, cashews and badam. Here, first I'm going to peel the outer skin of the Lauki. This is a very tender one. I've cut both the ends now. And now I'll remove the seeds from inside and then we'll grate it. And do taste for bitterness. Sometimes Lauki is bitter. Now I've cut the pieces. We'll grate it in a grater. I've got about 1.5 cups grated Lauki. I've taken a thick pan. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. And now I'll fry the Lauki in the ghee for a few minutes. I've added the grated Lauki. Keep the flame low and let us fry. Now I've added the milk. It's about 1 cup of milk. Let the milk get absorbed. Till then, we'll fry the cashews and the almonds. I've taken 2 tablespoons of ghee now. I'm adding the almonds and the cashews. We'll fry it light brown. In the same pan, I'm adding the Khowa. This is unsweetened Khowa or the mawa. Fry for a while. Now let's check the Lauki. It's almost dry now. At this stage, I'm adding the sugar. This is about 3 tablespoons I have taken. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. Now, as we put sugar, it will leave out some water. So we have to cook for a while till it dries up. Now, at this stage, we'll be adding the mawa, the Khowa. Mix it thoroughly. Let it cook in low flame. I've added the cardamom powder. Give a good mix. You can see the color has changed. And the halwa has got thick now. At this stage, we'll add half of the fried cashews and the almonds. Other half we'll use for decorating. Give a good mix. Now I'm transferring into a serving bowl. This is perfect. Adding the almonds and cashews which I had fried. Now Lauki ka halwa is ready. Very, very simple, very easy to make. Thanks for watching. Do try.